Question 21. Linda is buying wool to knit a baby's blanket. She needs 1,800 yards of wool. She chooses some balls of wool. There are 245 meters of wool in each ball. She knows that 1 yard is 36 inches and that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. How many balls of wool does Linda need to buy? So let's just draw out a little picture to represent the scenario here. So firstly, we know she wants 1,800 yards. Okay, so she wants 1,800 yards. She wants. Okay, and we know that a ball of wool has 254 meters. So we know that one ball of wool, so a ball of wool has 245 meters. And the question is, how many balls of wool do you need to fill up 1,800 yards? And also we know the following two things. We know that 1 yard is 36 inches. So we know that 1 yard is the same thing as 36 inches. And we also know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so the question is, we need to convert, let's say, this here, this number of yards into meters, so we could work out, we could divide it by 245 to see how many balls of wool we would need. So, we know that 1 yard is 36 inches, and we've got 1,800 yards. So we know that 1,800 yards in inches must be equal to 1,800 multiplied by 36. Okay, so get your calculator out at this point. So if you do 1,800 multiplied by 36, we get ourselves the following amount of inches. So we get ourselves 64,800 inches. Okay, now we want to convert this into centimeters. We know 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. So if we do 64,800 multiplied by 2.54, it will tell us how many centimeters. So multiply by 2.54 and we get ourselves 164,592. So this is 164,592 centimeters. So 1,800 yards is equal to that many centimeters. Now we should know that 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter. Okay, so if we've got that many centimeters, okay, if we divide it by 100, we will get how many meters there are. So to go from centimeters to meters, you divide by 100. So let's divide this by 100 and we'd get 1,645.92 meters. And you can obviously check that on your calculator. Divide by 100 and we get exactly as I said. So that's how many meters we want. So to work out how many balls of wool I need, so number of balls of wool, we would do 1645.9 divided by 245. So we divide this by 245, we get ourselves 6.71. Therefore, we're going to need to buy 7 balls of wool. And we're done.